We interrupt your computer session to bring you a Barney error. Barney died from eating too much McDonald's. Do not turn off your computer. Repeat. Do not turn off your computer. You have 15 chances before the point of no return. You must wait 1 hour for the Barney error to complete. Repeat. You have 15 chances before the point of no return. You must wait 1 hour for the Barney error to complete. Until then, you cannot use your operating system.
And remember, I'm watching you. I see you turned off your computer. Please don't do it again. Thank you. Come on, I told you to stop nicely. Now you need to keep the computer on. Hey, did this new background color get your attention? Good. Now please don't turn off the computer again. Man, oh man, wow, you didn't even let me finish talking. You just don't know when to stop. This is your last chance to level mode. Better not waste it, bucko. Oh my god, you blew all the good chances and now I'm in evil mode. The only one making things worse here is you. Oh no 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 H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H H. Even after I have gone into evil mode, you still choose to turn off the computer. It really shows who you are. Regardless, you're not gonna want to turn off your computer again. You'll regret it this time. Haha, I got you good. That's what I meant when I said you'll regret it. Now stop turning off the computer for your own good. What the actual is your problem? Where you dropped too much as a kid? Stop turning off your computer.
What do I have to do to make you listen to the you son of a bitch?
This is your last chance, you know. If you restart one more time, you now have to enter the code in 10 seconds.
Alright, it's time for you to enter the code. You have 10 seconds. You better get it right. Congratulations, that was the correct code. You can have your computer again. Sorry for stressing you out.